Everyone, welcome back to our channel, and today we are going to see another video on free courses. So already we have posted videos on HubSpot free courses and also Nvidia free courses, so you can check it out if you require it. And also today we are going to see OpenAI Academy, and OpenAI Academy is the company which actually developed ChatGPT. So let's look into the courses and other things that will be essential for you to know, and let's look into this video without any delay. So first of all, you can see this is the home page of OpenAI Academy. So for example, in the left hand side you can see the events, courses, content, community, what's new, and also other things like stories, work, education, small business, non-profit businesses, government institutions, news organizations. So you have few more things here. We will explore it. First of all, let's click on events. So if you click on this, you will be able to see all the events that is OpenAI Academy conducting. So basically this will be a live event. If you are interested in few of the topics, like here you can see it is for advanced automation, it is for building sites and dashboards, and there are other events for finance teams, AI for government, API foundations, and you can see lot of events here. This will be very useful for you to gain knowledge, and for example, I will show you how to register. For example, if you are interested in this ChatGPT work for finance teams, you will click on register here, and then you will have to enter your details. You will have to sign up first. I didn't sign up, so it is asking me to sign up. So you'll just click on the register here, and you will be able to register successfully. And you can see this is happening on August 13 to 14 in 11:30 p.m. IST, because it is happening in US, right? So it will be in IST and it might be mostly in night. So you can just click on register and register yourself. For example, I will just sign in and I will show you how to do it. Okay, so now I have signed up with my account, so I will just show you the events, how to register it. I'll just click on the event. Sorry, it is not refreshing right now. Okay, so you can see all the events. You can see the past ones which is happening now and which is upcoming. So you can replay the past ones. As I said, you can just click on replay and you can replay it. And let's look into the upcoming ones, and I will show you how to register yourself. So we will register for this one. I will just click on register here, and then here you can see registration is successful, and now you are a member of work users. And you can see when this is happening and how much time it is left for us. It is like 5 hours that is left for us. So it will be happening in August 12 11:30 p.m. to August 13 12 a.m. So it is mostly like a half an hour event. So I have applied for it, and then maybe later. Then the most important thing here is courses. That's what you are looking for, right? So let's look into the courses right now. It is the most important thing that you would be looking for. So you can see here, build practical AI skills for work, and here you can see AI foundation, applied AI foundation, agents and workflows. So even you can see that this is great for people with new to AI. This is for people who have some experience in AI, and this is for people who is comfortable using AI. So basically, if you have idea about AI, you can go with applied foundation and other things. But if you have no idea about AI and if you want to learn from basics, you can go with the first course. Let's click on go to course, and let's scroll down here. Here you can see you will learn the fundamentals of AI, and also this course will take approximately 70 minutes for you to complete. And then this is going to be a self-paced course, because no one is going to teach you. You are going to learn it by yourself. And then the level of this course is an introduction course, and then you will get your certification after completing this course. So you will complete this course, you will get the certification from OpenAI Academy. So basically this is going to be a very reputed for you to add in your resume. This should be very good for you. Don't miss it out. So they are asking, you need a ChatGPT account, a real workspace to practice on, and you will leave with a practical understanding of how AI works, and you will learn about prompting, context, and review, and you will also have a improved version of you doing the real task regularly, and you will have the important thing, that is here, course completion certificate. So you will come inside this, you will just click on this enroll button. Yes, I have enrolled into this course. After enrolling, you will just click on start the course, and after that it will be taking you to the study room where you will be able to access all the content. Let's wait, it is loading. So here you can see the introduction, large language models, prompting and evaluation, add context, responsible use, and recap. So you have all these courses. You can start with it. I'll just show you the first module. You will start the course. So I can see all the videos here. It will be very easy for you. You can just complete within 1 hour. So you will get a certificate, and also you can add it in your resume. You can showcase it to other people in LinkedIn, and also it will be very useful for you to get a job. You can go to this course too. I will show you this course too. You can click on enroll here, and this is going to be a foundational course with 80 minutes, and you will get course completion certificate for you. They are telling you to complete AI foundation first before coming into this course. So I have completed the important thing that require for you to enroll into these courses, and how to get your certificate too. You can just go into the course, you will learn it. After that you will be able to get your certificate, and then that's it. I think you found this video very helpful, and I will meet in the next video. Until then, take care and bye.